nobody is strangle you like this. This is bullshit. If he really wants to grab you, he will be here. Yes,
like
yes, it will be like this. He come to you. If you go to the front, there is a close distance, you cannot do the punch. You have to go to the back. Yes, you have to go to the back. And then you kill. All my power is up and to the front. If I do this, the center of the power is here. If I do this, he's dead.